Hey everybody, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Got a beautiful new brokerage listing to show you today. This is a 2024 Schaefer Yachts 375. Absolutely beautiful boat. Custom ordered paint job. Lift cap, so no bottom paint. Just had engine serviced. Give you a quick walkthrough of the outside, and then I'll hop on there and show you some of these awesome features. This boat is powered by triple V10 400 Mercury Verados. Still under factory warranty. Only got about 32 hours on them. Just had an engine service done as well. Name of this boat is Liquid Aloha. Absolutely beautiful. You can hear the blowers going. Had the generator running for photos when we were off the dock. Great layout. Very spacious. Top side up here. So you can see we've got the starboard side folded down. The port side does the same. We are at the dock, so we're just utilizing the starboard side only right now. Really nice feature. You'll see the color match throughout the boat. You can see the superstructure here matches the hull, as well as the center stripe of the cowlings here. Transom with the name, the sea deck, the upholstery. Down in the cabin, also beautiful. So you can see plenty of space for seating, storage under all the seats. You've got a huge engine compartment here that electronically actuates and opens up so you can get down there if you ever need to service anything or clean strainers. Also got a good bit of storage down there as well. Summer kitchen here. You've got your Kenyan grill, freshwater sink, and a nice storage compartment. All gas shocks. Keep it open for you. You've got a fridge topside. And then tons of storage and shelves right here. As well as a pull-out garbage can. So all of your entertaining is meant to be done topside. You do have space to sleep down below, as well as ahead. But obviously, this boat is built for entertaining on a nice day. You can see we've got the sunroof open right now. Press of a button at the helm, and that closes and shuts. You've got a full length windshield, as well as all glass along the front. Keep you nice and secure. And even boating on the cooler days, which we have coming up. Here in North Carolina, this will definitely extend your boating season. And even down in the southern part of the country or elsewhere in the Bahamas, you've got AC at the helm as well. Keep you nice and cool. If you ever get into a storm, you can close everything up and be protected. Standing up here on the bow, so you've got the port side walkthrough. This window actually closes and the door closes there. So you really do have full protection at the helm. Windlass and your controls here. Emergency exit from the cabin below there. Armrest with cup holders. Really beautiful double stitch diamond pattern. Schaefer does well. And some more of the color match. Custom paint job. Absolutely beautiful boat. You're seeing some of the photos, but it does have a Garmin dome radar and Cyanox camera. I'll show you some of those. Twin bolsters, and these are big bolsters here too. Show you in some of the photos. there's a handle. It helps to have two hands doing it, but that handle certainly helps. Really nice size bolsters right here. And for more visibility, this step folds down, gives you a little bit higher perspective. I'm not the tallest, maybe 5'9". I have great visibility even here because of that step that you just saw me climb up to, but if you need even more, you've got that other platform that you can fold down and have better visibility. Twin Garmin touchscreen displays right here, 12-inch. You see we've got the engine information built in, 32 hours, just had engine service done today. You've got your radar here. Let's pull up the camera. Forward-facing Psionics camera. Lots of bells and whistles. Tons of stuff that you can mess around with. Garmin VHF. All of your switches. Your Mercury joystick with Skyhook. Autopilot. Make you look like a pro when you're pulling into the slip. Power windows, both port and starboard. So this section here goes down all the way, as well as the port side. Lenco trim tab controls, engine hood. You've got the sunroof control here. Windlass control, cup holders. And then behind some of these covers, you've got AC vents. Keep you nice and cool here at the helm. Just really great visibility for this boat. I'm impressed with it. Seeing it back here, you see that the swim platform comes far enough back to where you can handle lines and step on and off the dock a lot easier. Even with the engines trimmed up, there's a walkway that you can come across, easy on and off onto the dock. You do have a port side boarding ladder, 4-step stainless ladder for when you're swimming or diving. Switches for the balconies there. This is a pretty cool feature. Schaefer yachts. Obviously not glass, that would not be safe, but a nice feature. Even if you don't use them, they just look really good right there. All right, so stepping down into the cabin, see you've got 4 steps. Something I like about that, just a little thing, but they don't take up too much space. When you're moving 1 foot to the next step, there's kind of a cutout so you're not tripping over it. Nice feature they did there. All right, so behind this panel, you've got all of your battery switches, AC panel, DC panel. You've got air conditioning control, your switches for your lights down below. Lots of great lighting on this boat. Got another isotherm fridge and freezer. Microwave down below, freshwater sink. You've got really nice seating up here. Obviously you've got a TV sitting here, but moved that away in some of the photos. And also there's a cushion that fills this space right here to create a V-berth. So another sleeping arrangement. Storage. Closet on this starboard side. More storage down below. Really nice carpeting. And some more of the color matching. Really beautiful door here leading to the head. Good natural light in here. But you've also got a switch for lighting. Vacuum flush head. We got storage behind both of the mirrors. And it is a dry head. So you've got your shower here and this door that closes, drains through the floor, but it kind of keeps it separate from standing here using the toilet. And then obviously you've got your shower in there. Keep them a little separate. Storage underneath the sink as well. The larger sleeping area is down here. So you've got portholes, both port and starboard. More color match. Really like the color combos here, the contrast, the white, the gray, the silver, the black. You've got boat covers here and some of the extra cushions. The boat's virtually brand new, so this stuff is still in the plastic as you see here. Very clean boat though. It's got tons of lighting, topside as well. Tried to get some of that in the photos, but comfortable. AC is pumping, feels great down here. Moving back topside. Beautiful day. These are the days that this boat was built for. Entertaining, hanging out upside. Beautiful boat. Just listed on brokerage here in Wilmington, North Carolina. If you have any questions about this boat, feel free to call me on my cell. That number is 239-249-4345. Again, this is Pat Wilkins with MarineMax here in Wrightsville Beach, showing you this 2024 Schaefer's Yachts 375. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's get you out on the water.